LOV111VOL is an application that is used to manage a one-person business, a team, as well as an entire company, an entire organization. After launching the program, a login window appears. We enter the word human as login and password. Then we log into the main application and go to chat, as team communication will be the main topic. If we want to search for the people we want to communicate with, we can do it by entering a partial name. Such a person is searched for. On the other hand, if we would like to add a room, a chat room, in this case, the key is important. And the entire key must be entered exactly in the search field. In this case, room key 222. If we do not enter this entire key, it will not be found. As for the room itself, people who know the keys of this room can communicate and exchange information together. Let's perhaps establish communication with the admin. As we can see, communication is taking place. All information, as I said, is encrypted with private and public keys. Not even the administrators, not even the service is able to decrypt this information. Only the software developer would be able to decrypt it. We can also share files. The communication itself in the team room. It works in a similar way. Here we do not yet have a team room. It is also worth mentioning that all chat information is automatically deleted after 7 days, leaving no traces.